If you want to turn off the passcode on your phone so you can log in without needing it, for example, here it's trying to scan my Face ID, can't find it, enter my passcode, and then it logs me in. If you want to remove that step and just be logged in with no security measures, this is how you do it. Pop into the settings, make sure you're on the main settings page, scroll down till you get to Face ID and Passcode, enter your passcode, scroll down some more. Here's Turn Off Passcode, but it's grayed out. And it says right here that the passcode's required when stolen device protection is turned on, which is right here, and when Face ID is set up. So we've got to turn off both of those things. So let's go to stolen device protection, turn that off. Requires our Face ID or our passcode to turn that off. And now we also want to turn off our Face ID right here. Just tap on Reset Face ID. Now that's turned off, and now we can tap on Turn Passcode Off, which is a core part of your Apple device's security. So here's a warning. Most importantly, your Apple Pay cards and card keys will be removed from Wallet and will need to be manually re-added to use them again. If you're okay with that, tap on Turn Off, and then we have to enter our Apple account password, and I'm pretty sure that's mine. I'll tap on Turn Off now. Verification failed. Okay, excellent. Let's try that again. And if I get my password wrong too many times, it'll lock me out. So let's try this one. There it is. Now we enter our passcode again. I entered it. Oh, it's working up here. So here it says, to protect the passwords you've previously used in Safari, you can remove them from this iPhone and turn off iCloud Keychain and Safari autofill. I'm just going to keep using iCloud Keychain. As you can see, the passcode is related to a lot of security stuff on your phone. So it's a fairly semi-large decision for you to have this turned off. But now that that's turned off, if we lock our phone and we just swipe up to unlock, no passcode, no Face ID required. So if that's what you're going for, that's how you get it. And if you want to make sure your phone is scam-proof, scan this QR code with your phone if you're watching on a TV, or click on the link in the description. It'll take you to a page where you can get my free checklist and free step-by-step PDF to help you scam-proof your phone, which is super important these days. So check that out. After you've done that, check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash cans on your phone. You might not believe it, but you can find lots of space in places that you probably never thought of. So check out that video next. If you have value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.